you know? Running an e-commerce business doesn't have to mean juggling multiple disconnected platforms. With x2x e-commerce, you can seamlessly integrate ERP, e-commerce, and POS platforms like Shopify, Magento, WooCommerce with ERO or point of sale into one harmonious system. Whether you're a creative entrepreneur on Shopify, a powerhouse retailer on Magento, or a trendsetter on WooCommerce, x2x e-commerce has you covered. x2x ensures your data flows smoothly. No more manual updates, no more errors, and no more wasted time. By connecting your platforms, x2x e-commerce creates one streamlined highway for your business operations, from inventory to orders and beyond. From multi-channel selling to real-time inventory updates, x2x e-commerce powers your business with efficiency, accuracy, and growth potential. So, did you know? Now you do. With x2x e-commerce, your platforms are better together. Visit us at x2x-ecommerce.com and take the first step towards seamless integration.